Hello and welcome to the very first episode of News and Stuff shot on the OnePlus 9 Pro with Hasselblad,
where we bring you face to face with the latest in the world of tech.
Speaking of faces, did you know that Facebook and Ray-Ban have launched sunglasses? Facebook just can't stop following Snapchat.
But these are not your regular sunglasses. They may look like Wayfarers, but get this, they've got tiny 5 megapixel cameras on either side that help capture and record video and send it directly to your Instagram. There are mics and speakers also on this thing, which means you can record audio, take calls, and have audio in the video you record using the touch-sensitive panels on the side. Well, come on baby, light my fire.
Cut it out, Keezy. On that note, we have an all-new Fire TV stick from Amazon, and this time it's way more powerful.
Let me see. One from this year and the 100 million from...
No. Amazon says that this one's got the oomph it takes for a cinematic power.
Makes no sense.
How does 4K, HDR, Dolby Vision, and a new remote with extra buttons sound to you?
Sounds boring.
Well, the sound is what it's about. The new Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max comes with support for Dolby Atmos. So if you have the requisite speakers, it will sound better. Amazon says the whole thing is 40% more powerful than the previous gen, and it can latch on to Wi-Fi 6 too.
So hopefully better sound quality and faster navigation through apps. Well, I can't wait to watch movies and get some cricket too.
Cricket, you say, huh? Guess what? Our captain has become the new brand ambassador for Hyperice.
Hyper what?
Hyperice? It's a fitness technology brand that makes portable muscle therapy devices. It's for the pro athletes and fitness enthusiasts that need that extra pampering to release muscle stiffness.
So a massager?
No. Yes. But these are engineered devices that target specific muscle parts of the body and use thermal, percussion, vibration, and all that kind of stuff to relax or warm up the body before and after a workout. They've just recently launched in India, and guess what? Their new product, the Hypervolt Go, can be used by grandmas, grandpas, and certain non-athletic human beings who sit and stare at screens all day.
Hey, I'm not gonna be sitting and staring at screens. I'm gonna tell you what screen stares at you.
Are you okay?
No, seriously. The MG Aster has this tiny cutesy robot on top of its dash that blinks and has a screen.
Aside from the Advanced Driver Assistance System or the ADAS Level 2 and the many sensors around the MG Aster, the insides of the car is actually loaded with AI smarts.
Seriously? That sounds exciting.
Well, maybe, but we'll have to wait and watch and see how it works. Kind of like your Google Assistants and Siri, but MG says this particular AI is capable of replying with human-like emotions and answers information from Wikipedia and stuff.
What's the difference between watts and ohms? Watts are a unit of electrical energy. Ohms are where British people live.
I mean, that's cool, right?
Can I turn off the geyser at my house?
Oh god, it supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it has built-in Geo connectivity that makes it all happen.
This is actually impressive. A robot to keep my kids busy and a 10.1-inch screen display to show me the map.
Well, did you know that this car can be unlocked without a key as well?
Shut up, the car thieves are listening.
Without the app, they can't get too far, and neither can you. It's truly a wireless world, eh? Apparently, even for Nintendo, after 4 years, the Nintendo Switch now supports Bluetooth audio. Just update to the new software and all the Nintendo Switches in existence will support Bluetooth audio.
We waited 4 years for this, and all it took was a software update.
That's Nintendo for you. Traditional and always cautious. And talking about cautious, just by the way, GoPro is back again, and they've been oddly cautious as well.
GoPro and cautious? I thought they were for the daredevils with an Instagram account.
Well, it still is. It's got a faster 4K recording with 120Hz, faster 5.3K recording at 60 Hz, and definitely slow-mo recording and smoother stabilization. If all of that sounds too familiar, wait till you see the GoPro Hero 10. While the outsides look the same as the Hero 9, the new processing chip on the inside is what sets the GoPro apart and pushes to that 54,500 rupee asking price.
Oof, that is expensive.
And so is health insurance. But that doesn't stop Red Bull's Instagram account, does it? And that's it from the world of tech. We hope you liked watching this. And if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, and comment.
This week's news and stuff was brought to you by our lovely sponsor OnePlus. And guess what? This episode has also been shot on a OnePlus device. So if you like it, check the link below.
Did you know that if you open the calculator and type in OnePlus and hit the equal sign, then you'll see the branding slogan, "Never Settle"?